Welcome back to the channel, the MQ Network, the Wilhemi Show. Let me take this off. I need my freedom. I am getting older. Shit, I look like I'm 58, 90, 110 years old. I'm not sure what's going on. But anyway, it's like this for now, so take it or love it. Take it or leave it. Anyway, I'm hearing more and more about these Demon 170s and the problems they're having. Got Racer X with his motor just going to hell. TK is daily with a new video about a new Demon 170 problem. What did I say? I said stay away from these brand new cars, man. It's ugly out here, and I'm not sure how bad it really is. Like I said, I don't have the actual failure rate on me. I don't know what it is, but I can tell you one thing. This is happening at the track. Now, Dodge released a Challenger Demon. Now, the first Demon, also a dedicated drag racing vehicle, did pretty well. I hadn't heard about any real failure rate on the original Demon, Challenger SRT Demon. I hadn't heard about anything really going bad, and fellers were taking it out to the track and running it, and you know, pulling down them 9-second times and doing their thing, and cool. You know, it was just a slightly modified, a little overbuilt version of the Hellcat, which was built solid. You know, Hellcats are pretty damn solid. I mean, you got a few things go wrong here and there, but this new one, the 170 on the yellow juice, pushing out a 4-digit horsepower number, and it seems to be eating itself. And that's not good. But yo, if you drag race a car, you gonna eat engines. Any drag racing team, it takes big money to drag race vehicles, okay? Because you are rebuilding your engine every 3 or 4 passes, right? I mean, you know, correct me if I'm wrong here. I'm not a drag racer. I'm just, you know, I watch a lot. And I mean, a drag motor is getting rebuilt quite a bit. Now, I've watched Street Outlaws, you know what I'm saying, the first few seasons. And I mean, I know it's all staged and everything, but they were going through a lot of motor problems. And that's just part of it. When you race, like I said, when you ride motorcycles, you're gonna fall. When you race, you're gonna rebuild some motors. Now, another dude just blew up his Demon 170 at the track, just burst into flames, blew up. And I mean, you pushing these motors to the absolute limit of what they can do. You bought a car that was ready to drag race. Now, it's not a Toyota. It's not a Honda. This is a pure power, purpose-built vehicle, but it's all monster power. Now, these engines, drag after drag, run after run, 1320 after 1320, man, you putting some unholy stress on these motors. And if there's any imperfection, it's gonna be found out. It's gonna happen. Now, the problem is, yes, these cars were designed for drag racing. They were sold under the auspices of drag race. They put drag racing tires on the car. Now, if I take it to the track, beat the life out of it, and it blows up, is Dodge gonna stand behind it? Now, I know I bought a 392. I bought a 6.1. Those cars could be drag raced, right? They're not the fastest things in the world, but they could be drag raced. Now, if I took mine to the track, let's say autocross, let's say I go to Willow Springs, you know, Bud Willow, whatever, I go to the track and something happens on that track, I'm assed out. I'm not looking for no warranty work. I'm not looking for insurance to pay when I spin that bitch off into a ditch. I don't know how we're supposed to act. I mean, if you buying a car just to drag race in it, you better have lots of money and lots of spare engines at the house. That's all I can say about that. because it's gonna cost you. I can't really say that these motors are not living up to what they're supposed to be, because like I said, you're drag racing. You are punishing your car. I don't know, man, but say la vie, bro. I don't feel sorry for you. I don't at all. You bought a Demon 170 to go out and drag race. Go drag race and get ready to pay for it, because that's just life. That's standard issue right there.